Hi friends, welcome back to Indian IQ Study Point. In this video, we are discussing about the subject biology. In that, chemical coordination and integration chapter in the form of question and answers for NEET, CBSE, AIMT and AIMS and for all states medical and B Pharma and agriculture entrance exams. Coming to the first question, which of the following hormones stored and released from neurohypophysis? Option A, thyroid stimulating hormone and oxytocin. B, oxytocin and vasopressin. C, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. D, prolactin and vasopressin. And the correct answer is option B, oxytocin and vasopressin. Coming to the next question, the amino acid tryptophan is the precursor for the synthesis of option A, tyrosine and triiodothyronine. B, estrogen and progesterone. C, cortisol and cortisone. D, melatonin and serotonin. And the correct answer is option D, melatonin and serotonin. Coming to the next question, name a peptide hormone which acts mainly on hepatocytes, adipocytes and enhance cellular glucose uptake and utilization. Option A, insulin. B, glucagon. C, secretin. D, gastrin. And the correct answer is option A, insulin. Coming to the next question, match the following. Match the list 1 with list 2. In list 1, we are giving pituitary hormones, epinephrine, endorphins, cortisol. In list 2, we are giving steroid, neuropeptides, peptides proteins, biogenic amines. And the correct answer is option B. That means pituitary hormones is in peptides proteins. Epinephrine is biogenic amines. Endorphins is neuropeptides. Cortisol is a steroid hormone. Coming to the next question, GnRH hormone needed in reproduction and acts on option A, anterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of LH and oxytocin. Option B, anterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of LH and FSH. Option C, posterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of FSH and oxytocin. Option D, posterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of LH and relaxin. And the correct answer is option B, anterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of LH and FSH. Coming to the next question, in the following, which hormone is not involved in sugar metabolism? Option A, cortisone. B, aldosterone. C, insulin. D, glucagon. And the correct answer is option B, aldosterone. Coming to the next question, in the following, which hormone is synthesized, stored and released by the master gland? Option A, antidiuretic hormone. B, luteinizing hormone. C, prolactin. D, melanocyte stimulating hormone. And the correct answer is option A, antidiuretic hormone. Coming to the next question, which one of the following pair can easily pass through the cell membrane of the target cell and bind to the receptor? Option A, insulin and glucagon. B, tyrosine and insulin. C, somatostatin and oxytocin. D, cortisol and testosterone. And the correct answer is option D, cortisol and testosterone. Coming to the next question, fetal ejection reflex in human female is induced by option A, pressure exerted by amniotic fluid. B. Release of oxytocin from pituitary. C. Fully developed fetus and placenta. D. Differentiation of mammary glands. And the correct answer is option B. Release of oxytocin from pituitary gland. Coming to the next question. In the human female, menstruation can be deferred by the administration of option A. LH only. B. Combination of LH and FSH. C. Combination of estrogen and progesterone. D. FSH only. And the correct answer is option C. Combination of estrogen and progesterone. Coming to the next question. Withdrawal of which of the following hormone is the immediate cause of menstruation? Option A. Estrogen. B. FSH. C. FSH and RH. D. Progesterone. And the correct answer is option D. Progesterone. Coming to the next question. Which hormone causes dilation of blood vessels, increased oxygen consumption and glucogenesis? Option A. ACTH. B. Insulin. C. Adrenaline. D. Glucagon. And the correct answer is option C. Adrenaline. Coming to the next question. Sertolin cells regulated by which pituitary hormone? Option A. FSH. B. GH. C. Prolactin. D. LH. And the correct answer is option A. FSH. Coming to the next question. Blood calcium level is lowered by the deficiency of which hormone? Option A. Parathormone. B. Thyrosin. C. Calcitonin. D. Both A and C. And the correct answer is option A. Parathormone. Coming to the next question. What is the action of oxytocin in human adult females? Option A. Stimulates adrenaline secretion. B. Stimulates growth of mammary glands. C. Stimulates pituitary to secrete vasopressin. D. Strong uterine contraction during parturition. And the correct answer is option D. Strong uterine contractions during parturition. Coming to the next question. A steroid hormone which regulates glucose metabolism. Option A. Cortisol. B. Corticosterone. C. 11-deoxycorticosterone. D. Cortisone. And the correct answer is option A. Cortisol. Coming to the next question. Chemically, hormones are option A. Biogenic amines only. B. Proteins, steroids and biogenic amines. C. Proteins only. D. Steroids only. And the correct answer is proteins, steroids and biogenic amines. Coming to the next question. Which of the following hormone is not a secretion product of human placenta? Option A. Human chronic gonadotropin. B. Prolactin. C. Estrogen. D. Progesterone. And the correct answer is option B. Prolactin. Coming to the next question. Melanin protects body from which rays? Option A. UV rays. B. Visible rays. C. Infrared rays. D. X-rays. And the correct answer is option A. UV rays. Coming to the next question. Which of the following hormone is a modified amino acid? Option A. Epinephrine. B. Progesterone. C. Prostaglandin. D. Estrogen. And the correct answer is option A. Epinephrine. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon to get quick notification. Thanks for watching.